everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I have my project polish update for you. I feel like I'm doing pretty darn good this year. I did not do project polish at all last year. I really missed it, and working on it this year, I realized this is just something I have to do every year. I love to polish my nails, and I feel like I flit around like a butterfly too much when I don't like focus on my polishes. I had some in other projects randomly here or there, and they didn't really coordinate with one another. That threw me off for the year, and I'm doing much better this year. I really am. I'm kind of getting bored with my color story, but it's okay. I can live with it. We got this. As of last update, I had finished 7 polishes in this project. I did finish a few in other projects that were rollovers from last year. So, you know, my numbers in this project are not indicative of how many I've finished for the entire year. So, let's do this. I have 2 empties this month. I'm very excited. Yes, I know I'm a child, but a really old child. I finished, the first thing that I finished was the Essence Effect Polish, the Hollow Shimmer, and this is in Pixie Dust. I completely used this one up. I'm kind of sad to see this one gone. This one really turned everything almost metallic. It kind of had like a peachy, pinky tone metallic to it. I just really enjoyed it so much, and I'm very sad to see that one gone. Another one I am very sad to see gone, another topper. This is the I&M Out the Door in Northern Lights. It is completely done, and I know I can get it at Sally's now, so I need to get through quite a few other things before I repurchase that, but I have a feeling I probably will purchase that again in the future. Yeah, I really like that one a whole lot. So now I have officially finished 9 within this project, and then, like I said, a few more randomly in other projects. I'm feeling good about this year. I really am. Yeah, I wish I had finished some of the other stuff, like the colored polishes that I have here, but I'm finishing bottles of stuff in my collection. They take up the same amount of room, so I'm okay with it. I have tons of toppers. I have tons of color polish. If it's in a bottle, if it's a nail polish bottle of any shape or form, I am happy when I get something used up. So let me show you what I have still in here. I used everything at least once. Some things more, obviously, with the finished ones, but you're not going to see a ton of progress on them because some of them I only used once or twice, and like this one, Revlon Sunflash, I have used it, but the bottle is getting wider, and I use like it's very thin, and I use it as like a topper, and I have not been able to add like a new line onto that, but it did get used. Every single polish in here has gotten used in the last month. This topper is the Essence Effect Polish. It is a twinkling bling bling polish in the color Icy Fairy. Again, I was not able to do a new line. I was at the top of the line. Now I'm just at the bottom, and hopefully I will get to use all of these polishes a little bit more in the next month. This used to be like a base coat. Sally Hansen Be Long. I frankened it, and then when I get to the bottom of a polish where I can't scrape any more out, but I don't want to like lose that last drop or two, I will actually pour it into here, and whatever it frankens into is what it is. And yeah, so this one, you can kind of see that I'm making some progress on it, but it's going to be there for a while because, you know, it's my dumping ground for the last like drop or two, like I said. The Revlon Streetwear in Chilling, I am making progress on this. I had gotten it so low down here, but it became like really thick and almost unusable. Thinner was not working on it, so I put some clear polish into it. It works beautifully now, but it is above the line. So it is actually right at this red line where when I added the polish, like the clear into it, it had been down here. It ended up coming up to almost the gold line. And Yeah, we're working our way back down on that one. I love that as a toe color. I know it's weird. I've had that on my toes like for a month. And when I take it off, because it's not looking so fresh anymore, I put it right back on. I just like it on my toes. I guess because I'm weird. All right. The Wet n Wild, I believe this is Formidable, however you want to pronounce it. I was at this bottom line last time. I am just a hair below it. Technically, I could probably put another line on there. There is daylight between the line and where the polish is, but it would be so close that it's not even that big of a deal. I used this multiple times in the past month. I have worn it over the blue, and I have worn it over the green, and yeah, I like it. It's just going to be slow going because it is a very thin topper, much like the Revlon Sunflash. This is the Kiss Gel Polish in Pistachio. I have used this. I was at the blue line last time. Again, I am just below that line, and I really think I'm going to focus on this one for the next month and see what I can do with it, because I love this polish. But to me, this is very much a summer color. We're going out of summer now, so I kind of feel like this one needs to get used up. So I think I might focus on that one. Let's see, my, what is this? The Beauty Secrets top coat. It really hasn't moved at all. It's still right there because a lot of these I added some top coat into the polish to thin it out a little bit. And a lot of times I just don't feel like I need a top coat on those because it has a little bit of gloss in it already. The two that I made the best progress on, this is Purple Rain from Victoria's Secret. Yeah, I've had that one around for a while. I was at this purple line. Now I'm at the blue line, making very good progress on it because of the wonderful things he does. Yes, I know I can't sing, but that's what popped into my head. I have this topper in a project for usage, and I have been wearing those together, which I really love, and that is why I was able to finally make some progress on the purple. And on Revlon Cherries in the Snow, I was actually able to do a new line. I was here, and now I'm at this blue line, and that is because I added this topper in to work with it. Again, sometimes the topper makes the difference to me because I get bored with polish. I need pretty sparkly things in my life, typical Pisces, and just having these in usage in another project have really helped me to make some progress on those. So I think for the next month, I'm really going to focus on this green, and I'm really going to focus on the blue to see if I can, I don't know if I'm going to be able to knock them out, but I want to get to that point where I can say, this is definitely going to be done in the next month. If I can finish them before the next update, I'm all for that, but we'll just have to wait and see. I might have to do, like, pick one of these and do mani and pedi on the same day of the same color. That's weird to me. I don't know if other people are like me. My nails, like my fingernails and my toenails, never match, like, ever. I don't know why. It's just weird to me, and I think I need to do it to really get some usage and maybe knock one of these out by the next update, and then the other one for the other update. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I have read all of your comments about adding stuff in. It really was a good split of add something in if you're bored, to no, focus on what you have and get it done and used up. I'm still sitting on that fence, so until I know in my mind that I strongly feel one way or the other, I'm going to just keep working on what I have. I feel like if I really focus, I can probably get some more stuff done. And ultimately, that is my goal, to get stuff used up and move it out. I have tons of stuff to play with, but I also want some space back. So, you know, I've got to figure out what my top priority is and go for that. And really, finishing stuff up has got to be my top priority right now. So that is why I have not added anything in. But if you watch my other painting projects, you know, like I said, I've added toppers into other projects for usage only, not to finish. And I did add 3 OPI nail lacquers into a project so that I can do like accent nails and stuff like that to work in conjunction with what I already have here. So I'm finding ways to try to make it a little bit more interesting for me without like sabotaging my whole entire project. So I hope that makes sense. I am kind of looking forward to a refresh at the beginning of the year, but I think I'm just going to stick with what I've got for right now and see what kind of damage I can do. If you're doing project polish, let me know down in the comments. I do read them. I'm very behind on answering them because like all the work has been done and we're trying to move everything back into our lower level. It is a nightmare. I have a sick kid right now, which means the other two are probably going to get sick, and then I'm probably going to get sick, or the hubs is going to get sick. So, you know, we're just dealing with a lot right now, but I do read all of your comments. I really do read them all. I just don't always get a chance to reply to all of them, but I am trying to find that balance and, like I said, read them, and I'm trying to watch other people's videos. I don't always get a chance to comment on those as well, but I want to support other people that support me. So even though I'm not commenting, I am watching, I am reading, and I love you guys. I really do. Like, my life is chaos right now, so I'm just doing the best that I can. You know how that goes. All right, I'm going to wrap this up because I've got a ton more to do. I'm going to probably film another video because I can kind of feel a scratchy starting, and I want to get some stuff filmed before I am down for the count with my daughter's cold. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.